Okay, so I have these really cute black denim shorts. They're cute as is, but if you'd like to see how I'm going to transform them into these, add a little bit of bling bling, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I'm going to be adding a little bit of rhinestone chain, tassel chain to these shorts. These shorts are really cute, they're really comfortable, but I just wanted to spruce them up a little bit by adding some bling. So I had this chain, I want to say it either came from like Hobby Lobby or I probably got it off Amazon. So I was like, maybe I should glue this on. But I was like, no, I want to try something different. So I am going to be sewing this on. I don't really sew like that. I don't know, I just don't. But I just want to try something different, y'all. So I'm just going to do it like along this little pocket area. And I'm just going to take some scissors like I just did and just cut the rhinestone chain. It wasn't very hard at all. If you have some good sturdy scissors, you should be perfectly fine. Okay, so once I got the sizes that I wanted, I made sure they were both even so each pocket matches. And I have some thread. Now this is actually a clear thread. Then I have this needle. I wish I would have had one of those angled needles that's like shaped like a banana or like a boomerang or something like that, but I just used what I had. So what I'm going to do is like kind of start from, I had already had it tied previously to the video. So what I'm going to do is like kind of start from the back of the pocket. And whenever you're using a needle and thread, really sharp needles, you always want to just be careful. So I'm just kind of gonna, like, it was a little hard. See, I was struggling at first. I just had to kind of get a good flow with it, because at first, once I did the first pocket, I was like, oh no, I'm not doing this again. I'll just use glue next time. So I just had to make sure I was very firm and just kind of did like a loop. You'll just kind of see what I did. So it's like I did a loop, and then this string, it's more like fishing string. I don't even know what fishing string feel like, but if I did, I felt like it would feel like this. It didn't feel like cloth, which it probably wasn't. But the reason why I had this clear thread is because I had in my mind I wanted to possibly try to sew some clothes on, sew some rhinestones onto something, and I didn't want to have thread showing. So I was like, okay, this should work. It should be pretty seamless. I think for the most part, the most challenging was just trying to line this up straight, because I feel like after a while it got a little bunchy and the string kept getting caught up. But I think as long as you just kind of keep the rhinestone trim straight, make sure your needle is sharp enough, and just kind of get the feel of the string, but it was like tangling. I did the best that I could do, but you'll just see me just continue to sew this on to the pocket trim. So it's coming along, y'all, but it definitely, in my mind, I thought it was a lot simpler than it was once I started doing it. But I was like, well, I'm in it now. I might as well just finish knocking this thing out. And that's what I did. I just kept going. Because you know how you see cute little stuff online, or maybe you might go into like a boutique and it has like a little bit of rhinestones, a little bit of dazzle on it, but it'd be like $120 or $80 for a pair of shorts with just a little sprinkle of stones, or you know how some just be simple and look like something you could do yourself. That's kind of what this was. And I was just like, I think that'd be like really cute, like something cute to wear on vacation, your birthday, or just something to wear just because you like bling. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these little shorts. I just wanted to kind of show you how they look on and just kind of show you how the fringe just kind of goes back and forth, just to give a different view. I don't usually show it like this. I'm trying to switch up my content just a pinch, but I did enjoy doing this DIY a little bit. I like the outcome better than the actual process. I think next time I might just try to glue it on, or like I said, get a sharper needle. But I do like the way they turned out. I hope that you did enjoy this video, or maybe got an idea of what you can do to your own shorts or your own outfit. But thanks you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it on Facebook. And thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com. And there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury inspired faux leather fabric. And when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. We also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your Crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired Crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more.